Hello viewers, this is Kingone stylus pen for iPad. It actually supports all iPads, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, and I am using this pencil on my iPad 10th generation. Many people are asking me about this Ipencil, whether this is good or Amazon basic pencils is good enough. So in this video I will try to answer that question. Currently the price of this Ipencil is 1339 rupees, and using offers you can get this device well under 1.3k. Actually the charge holding capacity of this Ipencil is very good. As you can see here, it supports type C. Using any type C charger you can charge this pencil, and in my usage of about 3 months I have charged it only thrice. You won't believe it because I have not used it much, and the charging capacity and the charge holding capacity is very good on this Ipencil, and it actually performs very well on iPad 10th generation. There is no latency issue, and you can use this on your Note app, and also note taking experience using this third-party Ipencil is satisfying. And some users wanted to know whether this had palm rejection. Yes, it has palm rejection, and also you can use scribble feature along with this pencil. Many people have misconception that only Apple Pencil can be accessed and scribble feature will work with only Apple Pencil, but it is not right. You can use scribble here also. Actually scribble is a feature whenever you write something with your Ipencil, it will automatically detect and it will convert into text like this. And you can also delete anything like this. If you want to delete this, you just have to draw like this and it will be deleted. After that, if you want to select some text, you can do that like this. You have to draw like this and it will be selected. Okay, and if you want to circle any word, you can do that. So this is a very handy feature, and now you can insert anything between these text like this. And if you want to join two words, you can also do that. You have to click on the join button. Now you may ask me, how is the writing experience on this tablet using this Kingone Ipencil? Actually the writing experience is very good. In this way you can use scribble. Whatever you write on the screen, it will automatically convert into text like this. This is a very good feature. Using this Ipencil you can use multi-window, and if you use multi-window you can select and copy text and then paste the text into your Note app. If you want to attach this Ipencil on the top of the iPad, you can do that, but the magnet is not so strong. You have to attach like this, only then it will be attached properly, otherwise it will fall down. Now let me tell you why this is a better option over Amazon Basics pencil for iPad. Actually it has better palm rejection, and also the battery life on Amazon Basics is not so good as this product, but some users are telling that the warranty claim is not proper on this Kingone Pencil. So if you are concerned about warranty related issue, in that case you can also buy Amazon Basics Ipencil. That is also very good, but in comparison I think Amazon Basics is not so good as Kingone Pencil. Hope this video has become informative to you. Let me know in the comment sections below which pencil you are going to buy. If you want to buy any of these two pencils, links are in the descriptions below. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.